Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 32. This is worked with Hobby Store DK Special Yarn Royal and its color code is 1117. This pattern requires multiples of 2 chains if you start it as an individual project, otherwise it requires multiples of 2 plus 1 stitches. So to begin with, we are having 302 stitches in the blanket, so one stitch has to be adjusted over there. Similarly, in my sample swatch also I have 34 DC, so I'll have to adjust one stitch at the end. So to begin with, make the standing DC as the very first one. We are ready with the DC row, so I'm straight away going to the pattern, and in the next make a single crochet. So this row is a repeat of 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet. That is the pattern for this particular row. Single crochet, double crochet, single, double. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end and tell you how to place the last stitch. At the end of row 1, you are not going to count the last stitch in the pattern. So the pattern ends one stitch before, it will end with 1 DC. Okay, so we began with DC, we are going to end with the DC here, and since we are not counting this last stitch, we are going to make a DC again. Turn your work. Single crochet in the very first stitch. Again single crochet in the next stitch. So this is where the pattern begins. So we made a single crochet in the very last stitch here. And make one single crochet in each of the stitches across. So this row, it's a simple single crochet row. This is the wrong side row for pattern if worked individually. Make SCs and get back. I shall get back when I am at the end over here. I have placed my last single crochet in the last stitch and I have turned. So it's up to you to chain one and turn, or just turn and make the first single crochet in the very first stitch here. Place one more single crochet. Next you are going to work front post double crochet in the DC one row below. So yarn over, insert the hook from front to front behind the DC and bring it to the front. Pick up the yarn, pull through, and you are not working any stitch behind that DC. Then place one single crochet. Then front post double crochet in the DC one row below, single crochet, front post double crochet. This is a pattern repeat for this particular row. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. I have come to the end of the row, so I have done my last front post double crochet and I am going to work my final single crochet here in the very last stitch. Turn your work, and this row is completely single crochet row, and again you have the row which has single crochet and front post double crochet, which creates this pattern. So this is the pattern repeat. Rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeats. For the blanket, I am going to do one more row and stop with that. So one more row of front post and stop with that. I shall make the single crochet row and get back to you. I have completed the single crochet row here. So turn the work. Start with the single crochet on the very first stitch, single crochet in the second stitch, in front post double crochet, single crochet, front post double crochet on the FpDc worked 2 rows below. So ideally you are placing one front post double crochet in the front FpDc done 2 rows below. That is the pattern, and that pattern gives you this sort of fabric, a close knit fabric it gives you, and it's very good for warm clothing. So whatever you want to make, anything you want to make which has to be warm and close knitted, you can go for this particular pattern. So I shall work this row and get back to you. So for the blanket I am stopping with 2 rows of front post FpDCs, and then the next row is going to be a DC row. So that completes for the blanket. If you want, you can have one more row for your blanket, that's up to you. So the pattern repeat is the repeat of rows 2 and 3, one SC row and one front post row. That's it. Thank you friends for watching this video. I'll be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.